Hey, everyone, this is Charlie here with Surplus Systems. Welcome back here to another video. All right. So in the last video, I pretty much explained to you guys how I'm starting the overage business over, the markets I'm gonna be in, which is gonna be Georgia and also Ohio. How I already found the attorney. I just gotta fill out the contract and send it over to him. Okay. I already have my LLC already set up. So the next step in this entire process is going to be me setting up my software tool to make sure I have something I can use to give me the maximum opportunities when it comes to the overage business. All right. So what I want to do in this video here, I'm just going to walk you guys through me setting up a brand new account for my specific overage business. Okay. So what I want to do first here is I'm going to put it in privacy mode so that way YouTube doesn't flag this video. All right. So the first place I want to go to is I'm gonna come here to menu, and then I got a couple of things here. Okay. If I was a brand new to the software, I could start here for onboarding. If I ever need to book like a one-on-one tech call, which I never need to book a tech call because I understand the system inside and out, I could come here. If I ever need to get some help with the system, as far as tutorials and things like that, I could come here, put in my code, and then it would take me to the help library there. Okay. Um, if I want to buy some leads from the system here, I come in automate leads. If I want to go to the home screen, I click here, it brings me to the home screen. And then this right here where I'll be able to keep track of my KPIs so I can see what it is I have going on a weekly basis. Okay. If I come back here under bulk import, this is a customization bulk import. So instead of me uploading my list 10 different times because my contact have 10 different phone numbers, this bulk import allow me to upload it one time only. Okay. This will give me access to the power dialer so I can start dialing my leads there. Right here, if I need to send out a contract, this is where I'll be able to send out my contracts, right? So if I come here to templates, you can already see I have my fee agreement that's here that I have to get prepared as well. All right. Now, under tasks, all my tasks will show up here. Under marketing, this is where I can access my different templates here that's in place. So these are my quick response templates here. And if I come to email here, these are my automation templates. So if I come here to email, come here to templates, all my automation templates is here. All right. My website here. So I'm gonna have to walk you guys through watching me configure my website. And then anytime I book an appointment here, they're gonna go here. Okay. On their calendars, that's on the call report here. So as I'm making these calls here, I'll be able to take a look to see all the traction I have going on. So as you guys can see, this is a brand new account. Nothing actually happened in this account yet. Okay. Because I want to be 100 transparent with you guys here. Okay. If I come back here, under file vault. So if I want to upload files or documents, anything like that, I can upload those things there. Okay. And then also access to the mobile app. All right. So the first place that I want to go here is I'm going to come back here, home screen. Okay. I want to come click on my profile here. I'm going to come here to settings. Okay. So the first thing I want to do is look at my business settings. So as you can see, I did upload my logo. Now, if you're ever looking for a business logo, you could always just come here to ChatGPT and say, create me a logo, and then give it a basic description of a type of logo that you wanted to create. Okay. So I did have ChatGPT create me a quick logo, which took about 30 seconds. So that's how I got that logo here. I got all my business information, all that's is already good to go here. Okay. I got my EIN, all that's set up here. I have all this set up. Now for me, all this is set up here. Okay. Under my profile, got my picture there, my email, my phone numbers. I got my signature here. So anytime I send out the email, my signature will go out there. I got all my calendars in place, so that way if I do end up booking an appointment, it doesn't interfere with any other appointments that I have on my calendar, like for my life or for my other businesses. Okay. On the team here, as you can see, like I said, I'm not bringing on any virtual assistants for this. I'm doing it all by myself so you guys can see. Okay. So as you can see, that's just me there. All right. My email, I got my email in place. As far as my domain, I got my domain in place right here. So claimoveragefund.org. That's what my domain is going to be. Okay. And as you can see right now, I don't have it connected to anything because I have to connect it to the website. All right. And we're going to come back to that. I got my custom fields and then my custom values. I'm going to have to fill this information in because the way these works is these are placed throughout there. All the automation, the emails, the text. So whatever I need to change, the company name, company phone number, I could do all that there. And you guys are going to get a chance to watch me do that here. Okay. Now for phone numbers, there's a couple options here. So as you can see, I got two phone numbers here. One is going to be my outbound number, and then I'm going to have another number. It's going to be my direct mail. So that way, when I send direct mail and they call this phone number, I'm tracking that to see how many leads I actually get from my direct mail campaign. Okay. So the way I'm going to do that is I'm just going to come here. I'm going to click on edit and configure, and then I'm actually going to change this to direct mail. Okay. So that way I know that these leads come here are coming from my direct mail. Okay. And I'm going to save that. So now I know leads coming here is going to be from my direct mail. Okay. Now under deals here, this is where I have all my pipelines and all that good stuff is set up. So that's already set up and good for me to go. Okay. So now let's get, so we got all that set up. My A2P registration already submitted that information. That's already confirmed. So I come to phone numbers here. As you can see, I am A2P compliant. Okay. Now, what we're going to do now is we're going to come here to domains. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect my domain to here. Okay. So I'm going to click these three dots. I'm going to click edit. And I'm going to choose the default page. It's going to be the home page. And I'm going to click save. So now if I come here and I go to that website, it should be live. Okay. So now it's live there. Okay. So what I'm going to have to do now is I'm going to duplicate this screen here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come here to custom values. And then for this screen here, we're going to take it. I'm going to pull up the website information. Okay. So let's pull up the website. I'm going to go back here and we're going to go here. And then we want to go to marketing websites. And we got this one website that's going to be right here. Okay. And for this, so calling agent, I'm going to change this to calling agent's going to be Charlie. And I'm going to save that. Okay, company address. So I don't want to do a company address. So what I like to do is I like to go with fakey address. So I'm going to click here. Okay, so now I have a little fake address here. So what I'm going to do is for the company address, I'm going to do so let's close some of these windows. And let's go back here, go to settings, and then we're gonna go to custom values. And then the company address, I'm just gonna go like this. And I'm gonna edit that. That's gonna be the company address. Okay, and now company name. I'm gonna edit that. Company name, we're gonna do claim overage refund. Okay, we're gonna update that. And then if I refresh this, we're gonna see things start to change here, right? Okay, see, look, got my email, my phone number, but all that's gonna change here, okay? Phone, the company phone number here. So I'm gonna edit this. And then I'm gonna put 414-873-7398. We're gonna save that. And then company website here. So I'm just gonna copy that. And then I'm gonna just go back here. I'm gonna edit this, paste that in there. Okay. So I'm gonna pause it while I do this, and then I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. So my website now is live. So if I come here, my website now is live. Got my logo, my phone number. If I scroll down, got all my contact details here. My privacy terms and all of that is already set up. Okay. So just to recap here, what we did was we got all the settings set up. We got the email set up. We got my website is set up. My phone numbers are set up for cold calling, and also phone numbers are set up for when I send out direct mail. All right. So I'm gonna be sending out direct mail, and I'm also gonna be calling these leads. Okay. Everything is set up to go now. Um, Now, the only thing that's going to be left now is going to be for me to get some leads. Okay. So, over the next 24 hours, I'm going to document myself getting some leads. All right. I'm going to start with tax overages to see what I can get there. And if I'm not having any success with the tax overages, then what I'm going to do then is I'm going to make the transition over to mortgage overages. All right. So my CRM is set up. I'm ready to rock and roll, ready to go. I have everything in place. Okay. So, like once I click on the lead here, just going to be getting the basic details. Okay. So that way I can start hunting right away. Okay. If you guys got any questions or anything like that, drop them down below. Okay. But I just wanted to showcase, let you guys know everything is set up, every ready to rock and roll. I should be able to get leads by tomorrow. And my goal is to start making calls by Tuesday. All right. Thanks for checking out this short video on me getting everything set up. And as you guys can see, look, it took me less than about 10 minutes getting everything set up within the CRM. Took me less than a couple hours. My LLC, so I got all that logistics stuff done within less than 24 hours. Okay. So like don't even worry about going like crazy looking for a logo, trying to make everything perfect. Just get the bare minimums in place so that way you can start doing the activity that's gonna bring in leads and bring in the potential income. All right. Hey, if you're new to Surplus Systems, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. And don't be afraid to check out the free resources down below. And if you ever need to just have a free audit call or a free coaching call, whatever you want to call it, feel free to reach out. I get you on my calendar. We have a conversation as far as where you currently at in your business, what you have done, and what you need to do to move forward. All right. I'm just doing this because I want to help the new people that's in the community get started without having to spend my arm in the air. All right. But hey, this is your boy Charlie with Surplus Systems, man. I'm mad.